Yo, welcome to the finale, baby. Welcome to day 14 of the Nick Graves Trades Bootcamp. I'm so happy for this video. I'm so excited for this video. This is the conclusion, and today we're going to be back testing. I'm just going to do a random week in April this month where we had a solid week. I'm going to show you kind of everything that I did. But I hope you guys have been learning a lot, right? In this video, I'm literally going to cover everything I've gone over, high time frame, low time frame, and I'm just going to show you how I trade. I'm going to show you my checklist, what I do pre-market, what I do post-market, all the above, and I'm going to show you how to execute. This is literally just going to be a back testing session, putting everything together, and kind of showing you guys how I work, right? So, looking at this, right? We have a lot of kind of like chop that I'm looking at. So if I go to the weekly, we're going to start on the weekly. We are bearish on the weekly. Why? Because we had this market structure shift, close below it. Now we're probably retracing into some sort of daily PD array. Boom, what daily PD array did we hit? This order block, fair value gap, somewhat getting respected. But we did hit this daily order block right here that I'm kind of looking at of a reversal point to continue lower. I go to the 4 hour, same thing. It's like a 4 hour CSD, 4 hour order block, all the above. And I'm going to look for basically like some sort of like delivery to this. I think in my opinion, this looks really, really good. Why? Because if we use a discounted premium, boom, sorry, and I do this, what do we have here? Let me make sure these settings are all good. If I use a discounted premium of this range, of the 4 hour range, this swing high to this swing low, what do we have? We have a swing low that is in discount of the range. So I probably want price to come down, sweep out this low, and then continue higher, right? I go to the 1 hour. What are we looking at pre-market? Ooh, pre-market. This looks really, really clean. And I'm going to, what is this? We have a 1 hour fair value gap right here. But what's inside of the 1 hour fair value gap? Liquidity. Now let's go to the 30 minute. Oh, even cleaner. We have a smaller fair value gap that we're able to use. Okay, cool. 30 minute. Boom. Let's go to the 15 minute. What do we have in the 15 minute? Oh my goodness. Same thing. We have liquidity paired with the 15 minute fair value gap. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this one because this one is unmitigated still. So now I want to see price sweep this high and mitigate the unmitigated 15 minute. I'm going to go to the 5 minute now. Boom. Okay. We don't really have much to see, so I'm going to use the 15 minute. Now I'm going to go to the 1 minute. This is my obvious clear job that I want to see get swept and manipulate, and my target is either going to be these lows or this 4 hour low that I'm looking at down here. And this is obviously 220 points down, but this would be like my main target for the day or like final TP, right? So I go to the 1 minute. Now I'm basically just going to play this out for market open, and I'm going to see kind of what we want to do. So again, I want to see some sort of sweep of this high. Also on the 1 minute, what do we have in here? We have this 1 minute order block. So honestly, bro, think about it. Inside of this unmitigated 15 minute, we have a 1 minute order block. That is all I need to see, right? All I need to see in order for price. I want to see a Judas swing, market open manipulation reversal down to the sell side down here, right? So let's just play this out for a little. Let's see what pre-market wants to do. 21, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so right now market opens in a second. I'm literally going to play this by a second time frame and act like if I was actually trading, okay? So I go here. Okay, we pump up, pump up. Okay, so we get a reaction off my level. Off of that, I'm instantly shorting right here. I'm shorting. My stop loss is 17 points right there. And my TP, I mean, realistically, like I want to see it's this main line, this 4 hour down here. So I'll probably just drag this down here. We'll say we'll target, I mean, this is kind of crazy, but 307 points, right? So right here, this is a 17 to 3 RR, right? And this is just off a reaction from my level, right? So right here, we're going to place an order. How do I place an order on here? Can I even place an order? Oh, there we go. Order, sell, position size 1. Boom. So we're risking $355 right here to make 6,000, okay? So now I'm just going to play this. Okay, great reaction. Now I want to see a closer of this 1 minute. Okay, so perfect. That's a great reaction I want to see. So now we play by the 1 minute. Boom, 1 minute closes. Now, we're already up 1,500, guys. We're literally up 1,500 in a second. And before I even put this, look at the reaction we get from this PD array refinement. What is this? This is buy side up above, pair with a 1 hour fair value gap, pair with a 30-minute fair value gap, pair with an unmitigated 15-minute fair value gap, paired with a 1 minute order block. And this 1 minute order block gets the reactions I was waiting to see. So now, boom, what do we have here? We have this 1 minute rejection block that I want to see get respected if we want to come back up there. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, boom. We swept this 1 minute rejection block. This is where you could possibly even pyramid if you want to. Right there. There's your sweep. If you want to add another contract, you could. Just for sake of this video, I'm not going to. I'm already in with my contract. So we're going to see deliver, deliver, deliver. Deliver, deliver. Okay, boom. Like first TP would have been smashed. Like just like that. So we literally just hit a, where's entry right here? 170 point trade. And now I'm just going to play this out. Let's just see if this delivers to final TP. Realistically, I would be trailing by now, but I mean, like, look at this. We just got edged like crazy, but there's final TP. You literally just saw me hit let me do the math real quick. Short position, entry here, stop loss was about 7 points, and then TP was here. You just saw me hit a legit 21 to 1 RR, just like literally like that. Just using everything I've taught you guys in this bootcamp. Let me close this door real quick. Literally just teaching you guys everything we use in this bootcamp. We just hit a freaking, bro, like, yeah, like that honestly makes me excited. I hope that freaking hypes you guys up too, right? Like starting off this video with a banger. What did I want to see? We had this 4 hour low that I wanted to see get swept right here, right? We had this 1 hour fair value gap up above that I wanted to see get swept. We had, one sec. Hey. We had this 1 hour that I wanted to see get swept. 15-minute got swept. 5-minute got swept. And then the 1 minute order block was literally the top tick of this trade, right? Boom. Just like that, top tick. I get a reaction. I enter off rejection, anticipating us to deliver. And there we go. Boom. Now let's go to the next day. Kind of see what we are working with. How do I go to next day open? I believe that's it. Okay, cool. Awesome. So what are we looking at this day? Oh, this was when news hit. Awesome. This is pretty awkward. Let's see if I can cook up here. So this is Wednesday. So this is the night after news hit, basically. So I want shorts to play out here. A resweep of this high would be really, really clean. A 3 drive on the 15-minute would be amazing to see. I go to the hourly. There's not really much we're working with. We just swept this high. So realistically, I think we should dump from here because we swept this high. And again, candle closures, guys, we never closed above it. But I might want to see one more resweep before going lower. And we're going to see what market open wants to give us. I don't really have any particular levels. I might just continue, but we'll see what market open wants to do. Okay, cool. So we just formed a 5-minute fair value gap right here. Or we're about to. 1, 2, 3. Okay. We didn't form it. I lied. Okay, so cool. So now I'm going to want to see the 1 minute right here get respected. And I want to see this high get swept. So we're going to wait till market open. I'm not really going to try and force too many trades, but I want to see some market open Judas swing. Okay, so like right here. Boom. Okay, that was unfortunate. Let's go back one. I forgot to play by the seconds, but we're at the 959 candle. So I'll have 2 levels for us. One, I will have this 1 minute high right here, kind of pair with like this 1 minute order block, just in case we don't want to resweep this high. And then again, I have our level up here. So if I go to the 1 second, we're gonna see what market open does. Again, we're looking for Judas swings. So boom. Hello. There we go. Boom. Okay, hits our first level. Might go a little higher. Might go a little higher. Still might go higher. Still might go higher. Okay, boom. There's our clean rejection. So now I'm in a short. This is a bigger stop than I normally would like. But it's a 19-point stop. But then again, like our target can just be insane, right? Because we have all these unfilled PD arrays below. So realistically, if I wanted to, I can make our target like 300 points just to this unfilled. And I'm going to do that and just kind of show you guys how I anticipate price to go, right? So business size 1 contract, we're risking basically $380 again to make 6.7K. Sorry. Okay, so now we're just going to place by the 1 minute and just kind of see how we react. So boom, boom. So there's a big dump. I'm already break even after literally the first candle. Now I'm just going to play this out. And again, like realistically, like we're already up $1,800, or we're up $1,800. We already took this low. So like at this point, I would be trailing tight, but just for the sake of the video, I want to kind of see and show you guys like how this works. But we swept London low. But again, I'm just going to kind of hold this and I'm just going to play this out and just kind of show you guys what happens. Again, I mean, like, yeah, it speaks for itself. Realistically, I probably would have trailed out. But let me just do this. Yoink. Just for the sake of the video, guys. Just for the sake of the video. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Just for the sake of the video. Just for the sake of the video. Okay, we got stuffed out. but realistically, I mean, if you look here, we got edged by, I mean, I don't know, 13 points, and we just hit basically a 16-1 RR just by top taking the market using this 1 minute order block, 1 minute liquidity. It was 5 minute liquidity, 5 minute CSD, like all the above, and we were anticipating shorts to play out. I'm looking at the screen right now, and this is just another, oh my gosh, this is actually perfect. I'm looking at the screen right now. We just re-swept this high, right here. Look what happens. I'm like, literally, this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to, you can just press short right now. And I mean, yeah, just the reaction you get off of pressing short instantly is just what, I mean, 100 points, just like that. But look at the clean resweep, clean manipulation. We never closed above the high, and then it's insta rebalance, just stuff like that. But this is the conclusion. This is the conclusion video. I hope everything sort of makes sense now. I wanted to back test two days, just a random week in April, where I did good. Where I remember the trades that I took to kind of show you guys the reasoning of taking them, and you guys literally saw me top tick twice, and hit TP both times for like a 16-1 and like a 21 to R, risking $300 to make $4,000, $5,000, $6,000. And this is consistent. So I hope you guys enjoyed the last day of the boot camp. I'm going to be live on YouTube tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday, live streaming free for you guys to follow up with the boot camp and show you guys how I really live trade, how I execute. Hopefully I don't get cooked. I'm pretty confident in the next couple of days. We'll see what happens. I appreciate you guys for watching the boot camp. This 14 days has been a blast to make. I love you guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow for the live stream, and I'll get back to my normal uploads. Peace.